Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. If you purchase Insta360 X, so you need to require which one is the best setting, record the video as well as capture some of the images. So let's check it out. Now let's start as a setting. First of all, I will tell you how many mic is available on this device. Like this is 1, 2, 3. And here 4 mic is available here this device with 2 camera. Here is a big screen. Here some lens, control the lens and start the recording using the press this button. Some of the information, if you want to remove the battery, so it's very easy. You can remove the battery like this, and here memory card is available. It's very easy. You can put it here, the memory card, and then similar kind of battery you can press as a long, and now his battery is a fix. Here is a charging socket. You just simply put it here, C-type charging cable, and charge. During the charging, here red light is going on. After complete the full of battery, here blue light is automatically active. It means your battery is full. It's very easy to fix out this one. Now we just simply on this camera, press once and camera is on 360. Now we can see here some of the important settings, like a scroll down here, screen, and here I prefer some of the settings, so accordingly I will explain. Here is a mic setting. I always prefer this one is a turning mute, because of if you are using this one, so noise is coming, so I always turning off this one. Next one is a brightness. LED lights, this one is always active during the recording, this light. If you don't want on this light, you just simply prefer, I always prefer the off, so this light is automatically off, so no one recognize the recording is on or off. The light is on, so everyone can recognize, okay, recording is on, so we can turn off always. Next one is a vibration. I prefer always vibration turning off. Here is a quick capture is on. If your Insta360 in your wallet, sometimes is on the quick capture. If press any of the key, so the consuming too much battery and memory card, so that point of view I always prefer to off this one. Here pre-recording options are available, 15 second, 13 second, which one you want. I go with 15 second only. Pre-recording start here like this, the pre-recording start is going on. If you can change the location also. Now I am here also, both screen is recording currently. You can go with like this recording, stop this one, okay, pre-recording ended. So this is an option. We can go back here. This is a brightness of the screen, which types of brightness you want. Currently I am recording the video, that's why I full brightness. Here the establishment, switching to efforts, so those camera lenses are working here, but I always prefer to off this one. The swap and lock, here the options are available, swap and lock. So device case mode is enabled using the power off, that's why I always prefer this one. Now we can see here audio setting. Inside the audio setting, here direction of focus, wind noise reduction or stereo, so I always prefer here in a stereo. Go back here, headphone. If you have airport, so via Bluetooth you can connect the airport here and you can record your voice. Sometimes noise and wind is going on, so if you connect your airport, you can record voice, is quite good. Here next one is a remote. If you have a remote, so you can connect the remote and on and off or capture some pictures. Here camera related settings are available, camera informations. Here USB mode, quick disk mode or quick reader or Android, so I prefer go with the Android here. Here Wi-Fi. Auto setting is Wi-Fi. You can connect this device on your smartphone device. I already make a how to connect this device to iPhone. You can watch a video is available on description, so you can go with auto, otherwise always on, but I prefer auto here. Bluetooth backup, so if you connect always this one, so I always prefer the Bluetooth is on. Here voice control options are available. If you are providing the instruction, Insta360 are working on your voice. Video bitrate, I always prefer video bitrate is high. Next video is a sharpness, so here highest, high, medium and low, so I always prefer is high, not highest, not go to the medium. You can go with as a high. External mic gain, so here external mic related informations are available here, but I prefer as a 0 dB only if I connect the external mic. Auto sleeping I choose here 1 minute during the recording. otherwise you can go as a 30-second, otherwise never. If you prefer here never, so auto recording is automatically you can watch the video during the recording time. Auto power off. So here auto power off options are available. Sometimes you are stop the video and you forget to switch off the device and your battery is a more consumable. So that point of view you can set here auto power. If you stop the recording, so automatically 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes timing they are providing. You can use one of them. I just choose 3. After 3 minutes automatically shut down my Insta360. Here language related options are available. 5 to 10 languages are available. Some of the European, some of the Chinese language are also available. Which one you suitable, you can decide. I prefer go with English. Here SD card, insert here SD card. So format this particular SD card using this device, because of if you format the memory card is a more comfortable to this particular Insta360. So make sure your memory card you always format using Insta360. And here factory resetting options are available. If you missing something, you can reset the entire factory setting and make sure your device setting is always like a new. Here certification. So now picture comes here, which important settings we can use and record the best quality pictures and video. So first of all, if I press here long and look at this here, Insta360 are record entire room of my, I just screen here and here I am. So using this one you can see entire room location related features. That one is really amazing. Which image or which portion you want capture, accordingly you decide. So this features come here, press long and then which frame you want record. Accordingly you stop this one. Now we can see here the importance of setting related information. You just simply press here this camera option, and here how many options Insta360 are providing us. Like a first one is video. Here single lens options are available. 360 lenses are available. We can go first of all 360 lenses. So video, active HDR, time lapse, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, star loops, boost, interval, HDR photo, and then again video and active HDR. If you go with single lens, so here video, me mode, so you can connect here selfie stick and me mode, active the me mode. So accordingly this one is quite good. Less of selfie stick are coming here if you are using me mode. Here loop recording, here 3 to 4 options are available here in single lens. If you are using 360, so lot of options are available here. So now we can see here some of the important setting and resolution, which one is best for this recording. You can set here resolution as a 5.7K or 4K or 3K. So I go with always prefer 5.7 because of I'm purchasing this device is more resolution and frame rate, always decide which one is good. So I can prefer here 5.7K and frame rate is 30. So using this one you can record good quality of pictures. So next one, active HDR, just only one resolution is available, 5.7K, and frame rate is a different, but you can go with 30 frame rate. If you don't like 30 frame rate, so you can choose. Next one is a time lapse. If I click here time lapse, so time lapse company are providing 8K resolution and 5.7 resolution is available. So you definitely go with as a 5.7, you definitely go with as a 8K, and here frame rate is a 3 frame rate, but I choose 30 frame rate. Go back here again, we can see here time shift. If you go with time shift, so always prefer time shift also 5.7 and 30 frames second, depends upon which types of quality and which types of light you have, but I always prefer 5.K. And here single lens setting. Next one is a bullet time. If you click here, and here 2 options are available, 4K and 3K, so you always prefer 4K. And here frame rate, if you go with 4K, 120 frame rate is coming here. If you go with 3K, so frame rate is increase like 180 frame rate, but depend upon light you can decide. Most of time you can use as a 3K also. The quality and frame rate is quite interesting, but I always prefer as like a 4K. Next, loop recording. If you go with loop recording, so here always loop recording comes here in after 3 minutes. So here 5.7 and 4K resolution is available, frame rate is available 30, 25, 40, so I go always 30 frame rate, and duration you can decide 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes, so I go with like a duration 5-minute duration. It's quite. Next one is a breast, and here you can see here 80 megapixel for the capturing the pictures, and here timer also available 3 second, 5 second, 10 second, so you can off the timer, capture the pictures and very easily use this one like this, capturing the picture. So picture is captured. Sometimes this device is a little slow, but this is a 18 megapixel image. If I capture this image like this, and this image are stored like 18 megapixel, this image size around 50 to 70 MB. If you have 64 gigabytes memory card, so you can capture picture 1000 plus. Here interval related options are available. During the interval, two types of resolution is available, like a 32 megapixel and 18 megapixel, and here interval 5 seconds and 10 seconds, 30 second, 1 minute and 2 minute around, so we can go with here in the 5 minutes. Next one is a HDR photo. If you select the HDR photo, so here in HDR photo just only one resolution is available, so 18 megapixel, and timer also available here 1 to 15 second, but I always prefer the timer is off. Go back. Next, and here photo, if you go with photo, so photo related options are available here, 72 megapixel and 80 megapixel, and timer is available here 3 second to 15 second. We can go back here again video. Now we can go here in the single lens. Now we can discuss as a single lens. If you go with video, so here some different resolution is available, ultra FOV plus, 16.9 radio ratio, which one is good, so you can always prefer here 16.9, void range or void or linear plus. I prefer myself here in a linear narrow angle only, wide range and max, so I prefer here narrow lens only because of I always use in my GoPro, so I always use in narrow. And here resolution is available, two types of resolution is this, 2.7K and 1080 pixel, so I go with 2.7. And here frame rate is high. Now first time I saw this frame rate during the single lens. You can go as a 30, otherwise 60, so I prefer as a 60 frame rate. Go back here, and the lens mode, me mode options are available. If you go with me mode and press here, so here just only one resolution is available. Ultra wide options are available, but you can see as a linear. During this option just only one resolution is available. If you go with ultra wide, so here always in linear, here frame rate is a 16. Go back. Next one is a loop. So many options are available here. Which one is you prefer? I always choose this one, but here I can go with like a 3 minutes. Resolution is high, so I prefer only 4K, and frame rate is a 30. Here I always prefer is a linear. Go back. Next, and the photo, if you select the photo, so here two options are available, like a 36 megapixel and 9 megapixel, so I always prefer in 36 megapixel, and range ultra wide or not, so I prefer as a linear. I just target on the specific object. I can select here resolution is a 36 megapixel. That's it. Here, as we can see already here. Now I have one more important tips. If you are recording here this using this one, and sometimes light is not good, so you can prefer this one. Otherwise, if you are going outside and light is quite good, so you can always use active HDR and this setting, so your frame is quite interesting. So much brightness is coming on your screen, video frame is quite good. And how you start the recording, just simply you look at this, my voice command is active here. Stop the recording. Look at this, my voice is recognized and now is working process is going on. So otherwise you can just simply press this button and recording is just start here. It's very easy. Now you can stop the recording like this, again press this one and recording is a stop and store in this particular location. Otherwise you can change using this one, you can change the lens also, different types of lens like a single lens, outer lens, 360 mode, so options are available. Using this button you can control entire Insta360. Those are setting are very important. So if you really like this setting related video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.